Guys, if you can't tell, I am more than happy with this car. We were talking about, we got to get this thing to the drag strip, man. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, we are headed back into town. Chris and I were out and about trying to film a little footage, trying to get a new intro, although the tires were not having it, so I wasn't able to do some wide open pulls or anything like that for you guys. But soon enough, we'll have this thing at the drag strip and be able to get you guys some of that footage, which I'm highly looking forward to. Just got to let the drag strip open. It's actually warmed up today, so I was hoping tomorrow would be sunny and the drag strip would be open, but we're having 90% chance of rain, which sucks. So no drag strip this weekend. So I'm holding out, guys. I'm hoping for the best. We might end up having to either go to Florida or go back down to Houston during the winter and get some passes in. If not, I'm not gonna get anything in until spring, which really sucks. But anyway, guys, it is what it is. But I've had a lot of you ask, how does the car feel now with the 4-to-1s? The seat of the pants feel? It feels a lot stouter. The car is a lot more responsive. It seems to get in the boost a lot faster, and it seems to be happier. It's hard to explain. You know as well as I know when you drive your cars, you can just tell. But however, when we get out to the drag strip, that will let us know a lot. One of the things we did get rid of is we got rid of the valve float that we were experiencing around 10 pounds of boost. We experienced it the last time we had it on dyno, and we did experience it anytime I hit around 10 pounds of boost at the drag strip. We had it on dyno, we ran it on 11 pounds all the way out, and it did great. It revved all the way out, was happy. That was like a little over half throttle.
Bad thing is, as bad as I hate to say it, you're gonna the R888s. I don't think you would think it would really hold up very long. I don't know. I mean, I know they hold up pretty well, but I don't know how long they'll actually hold up at this power level.
Yeah, and it's just 650 horsepower. Guys, if you can't tell, I am more than happy with this car. Even on Wastegate, it feels so much more alive than it did, and it felt great before. But anyway, guys, I'm loving the kit, and you can get the kit. It now comes with the header standard. Right now, until the end of the year, they are running a killer specials on the turbo kit. And if you can't get it right now, you want it after the first of the year, you can always use discount code SpeedAddict731 to save yourself some money. And I highly recommend this kit. The quality, the fitment, and everything right now is so much better than it was before. And I liked the kit before, but I absolutely love the kit now. And I drive this thing everywhere, guys. Xander and I jumped in this car after we put the upgraded parts and we put it on dyno, and we drove from Houston, Texas back to West Tennessee, where I live. 10.5-hour drive, and the car did fantastic. I've had it out since then. I have not done anything to it, and I've just been driving it. I have put it in the air to inspect everything, and everything checks out great. Everything looks great. No complaints, zero complaints. And man, guys, I can't speak enough for the kit. All right, guys, so Cody come by, so we're gonna go down the road since he's been in the car before, and he can kind of give you guys what he thinks about it.
Already it sounds so much better.
Yeah. We'll get up here, get on this little side road. Yeah, I really haven't talked much about the sound, but it does sound a lot better. The 41's changed the tone a decent amount.
Big time, yeah. It just sounds angry all the time.
Dude, that never gets old.
No. God. Up there in the higher PMs, this thing sounds.
Yeah,
dude.
and that's like half throttle on 6 pounds of boost.
Yeah.
It's insane. We were talking about, we got to get this thing to the drag strip, man.
Oh, yes.
It's crazy.
I gotta know what it runs now.
Oh yeah, it ran pretty good. We ran what? Last time it was out at the 8th mile, we ran 110 at a 670 with a 16960. To put it in perspective for these guys, they're used to quarter mile. We ran a 10.4 with a 686 108 in the 8th. So that run would have been around a 10.2, and that was on 8 pounds of boost. Now, 8 pounds of boost now is 704. Before 8 pounds of boost was like 650-ish.
Yeah. It just wants to go.
It wants to go, but the tires can't handle it. Guys, this car is so much damn fun. And the sound of it is a lot better.
Man, it sounds so much better.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, these turbos, that's the perfect
Perfect size.
That's the perfect size right there.
Yeah. 63, 65s all day long.
That is